Hello everyone, welcome back to 说说 Chinese 说说中文. In my last video, I talked about how to use 了. In this video, I will tell you where exactly in the sentence should you put 了. If you haven't watched my last video yet, for God's sake, click here and watch it. I promise it will really help you finally understand how to use 了. Again, like this video to make more people see it and subscribe my channel so you won't miss out my future videos. Alright, without further ado, let's get it started. In my last video, I told you that 了 has three usages. For the first and second usage, 了 in a set phrase and 了 indicates change of state. I don't have much to say in this video because a set phrase is set. You don't have to worry about where to put 了. For example, 太 adjective 了 to something, so something, you just put 了 after adjective. Adjective 死了, you just put 了 after 死. Nothing much to say. And 了 indicates change of state. You just have to put 了 after the situation that has changed. And normally you put 了 at the end of the sentence. Therefore, the focus of this video will be where exactly in a sentence should we put the completion 了. I will start it with some examples. 我买了一本书. 今天我去买书了. 我买了书了. You can see that we put 了 after the verb at the end of the sentence, after the verb and at the end of the sentence. Don't switch off. It is not as difficult as you thought. Let's see, in the sentences, 我 is the object, like who did the action. 买 is the verb, which is the action, like that somebody did something. 书 is the object, which is the object. So, if you want to emphasize the object, like you want to tell others, what did you buy? You put 了 before the object, and that is to say after the verb. For example, 我买了一本书. 这本书很不错. 我看完了，借你看啊. So in this case, what did you buy really matters because you want to recommend this book to others. Sometimes there are some hint words telling us that we want to emphasize the object. The hint words includes 一个 and of course 两个、三本、四只、一些、什么、我的 and of course 你的、他的、好看的、有意思的 and any other adjective plus 的. Let's see some examples. 昨天我认识了一个新朋友. I met a new friend yesterday. 昨天我认识了一个新朋友. 我换了我的工作. I changed my job. 我换了我的工作. 我给了他一些钱. I gave him some money. 我给了他一些钱. If the object is not the focus of the sentence anymore, what you want to tell others is you did something, and the something is not important anymore. In this case, you put 了 at the end of the sentence. For example, 今天你去哪里了？我去你家找你，你不在。哦，今天我去书店了，你怎么不给我打电话呢？ In this case, where exactly did I go? What exactly did I buy? It's not important anymore. You just want to tell your friend that you went somewhere and that's why you were not at home. No matter you went to the gym, you went to the bookshop, or you went to another friend's house, it doesn't matter. In this case, you put 了 at the end of the sentence. What about the last one? We used two le's. Normally, we will use le like this in a clear context, like you really want others to know that you finished a certain action. What does that mean? Here, what is really important is neither you did something or what you did. The really important part is you have finished something. You already did the action. 我有一本 HSK 的电子书，你要不要？我发给你。哦，不要，谢谢你。我买了 HSK 的书了。You've already bought a book. That's why you don't need the ebook from your friend. Here is an example including all three situations. First one. 上个星期我去了中国，那里很冷。We put le before the object, 中国. Why? Because we want to emphasize it. We want to tell others the place that I went is cold. If we change this place, let's say 我去了泰国, I would never say 那里很冷. So where did I go is the focus of the sentence. That's why we put le before 中国。上个星期我去了中国，那里很冷。But let's see this sentence. 上个星期我去中国了，所以我没有来上课。I went to China last week. That's why I didn't come to the class. We put le at the end of the first sentence. Why? Because now the object where did I go is not the focus anymore. No matter where I went, the result was the same. I was absent from class. The focus is I went to somewhere last week. But whether I went to America, I went to Japan, it doesn't matter. 上个星期我去了中国了，所以这次我不想再去了。We use two le's. Why? I will tell you my own story. I went back to China during Christmas and come back to Thailand on January 6th. January 6th. So many people ask me, oh, are you going to go back during the Chinese New Year? And I said, no, I won't, because I already went back to China once. So the focus here is I want to tell others that I have already done this action. The action is already finished. I don't want to tell them that I went to China or I went to China, this place. What I want to tell them is I've already did this action, and it conveys the additional information is that during the Chinese New Year, I don't want to go back again. 上个星期我去了中国了，所以这次我不想再去了。Now I hope you understand better where to put le in a sentence. Now it's your time. I will give you some exercises here. And do pause this video. You definitely will need more time to think about them. I will put the answers at description down below. Don't forget to check it and tell me in comment how many you've got them correctly. Alright, so those are all the content of today's video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my future videos. And I'm sure from Social Chinese, I will see you in my next video. 再见!